Okay, so here we are again. This time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the packing of the 20 litre everyday backpack as an everyday bag. Previously I've done a video of the 30 litre and I said that I thought that the 30 litre was the better size for files and A4 things. What I'm going to show you is you can do it in the 20 litre, and I'll explain why I think the 30 litre is better. Okay, so I've got a very similar divider setup in that I've got my hammock down low, I've got a divider right down at the very bottom as well, and I've also given myself a pass-through divider on the front. In order to get the files in the 20 litre with this setup, it's necessary to go in through the top. So that's one difference. Packed lunchbox is going in the same place as it was before. It needs to be slightly further over, and I can, but I would struggle to get my apple as I did in the last video. On the pass through here, the dividers are slightly smaller, so it's going to be difficult to get my Filofax in. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my headphones and my music player. The Filofax, I'll show you in a second, is going to go in the top. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my glasses case in the side pocket. Obviously you can still get all your pens and things like that in the side pockets. That's not a problem. Okay, I'm going to do this side up. Right, so I wanted to show you where the Filofax is going. There's still space there, so I'm going to pop that in. Okay, again, you've still got your space for pens and things like that in this side. I'm going to do this side up. I'm going to do the mag latch up, and then into here is going to go my 13-inch laptop. Down the back, and then in front of that is going to go my iPad. And again, it's just the amount of spare space that you've got, so that's going into the tablet component. In here on the other, on a 30 litre bag, we could have got our battery charger for the laptop, but that's going to be very difficult in here. I can still fit my phone, but again, it's a little bit more snug. And then we can do this one up. Undo the mag latch first, and then do that up. That's a good hint, actually. If you are struggling to get the laptop compartment done up, just make sure that you unlock the mag latch. Just thinking about that. Okay, still got space for your key tether, and obviously that can just go into the pocket. Here I've got a different water bottle. It's the same diameter, but it's a bit smoother, and it just means it's going to go in easier. Now, here's the thing. Okay, the packed lunchbox slightly protrudes out, so it's a little bit more difficult to get my water bottle into the side. And so as you can see, or as you can almost see, it works. Yeah, you can get into it, you can get all your stuff in. Very similar amount of things into the 20 litres, the 30 litre. So why did I say that I like the 30 litre better? Well, I was able to pull the files out from the side, and part of the joy for me is that, you know, you can do things like move things in and out of the bag through the side compartments. Really here with the 20 litre, you're back to a much more standard setup, I suppose, where you're going into the top of the bag. It does leave everything still accessible, and you can get the stuff out, but then to get into the other things you need to go in through the side. So really, for me, the 30 litre, and the reason why I was saying for me it's just more convenient in terms of accessing things. 20 litre, you can fit an A4 file, a small ring binder. You're not going to fit a lever arch file in here. It's simply too wide. And so there you go. That's the packing of the Peak Design 20 litre everyday backpack. What I would say is, if people like the videos, please do of course hit the like button, but do also share them. I think that, just going to wait for that to shut first. Part of the thing with these bags is using them. I want everyone to use them, which is why I spend my time making these videos. Yeah, okay, I'd like you to click on the affiliate link, support what I'm doing, but at the end of the day, what I want is for people to be able to set the dividers up, to be able to get the things in that they need, and to use it to its full possibilities. Right, I'm going to stop there. If you've got any questions or any requests for videos, obviously I'm responsive to that, so please do leave a comment down at the bottom, cheer me on, and hit that like button if you like.